Have you ever wanted to invest in an Airbnb vacation rental property, but not have the hundreds of thousands of dollars needed to invest, nor have enough time to deal with property management? The short-term rental fractional investment model that has opened up passive investment opportunities for vacation rentals to ordinary people has catapulted Here.co to the top of our startup spotlight list today. Be sure to watch to the end to see how Here.co is turning this traditionally lucrative market on its head to benefit thousands of individual small investors. Welcome to our Spotlight Startup series, where we bring you compelling case studies about innovative startup companies and their owners and what exactly it is about their evolution that makes them successful. Today, our startup spotlight company, Here.co, has solved this investment problem for you. Here.co provides fractional and passive investment opportunities into the vacation rental market that has historically been available to only a select few. 100% passive investors can start their investment with as little as $100. What's the catch? Is this a timeshare scam? No, this isn't a timeshare scam. Owners aren't buying a few vacation stays a year for their investment. Instead, investors are buying a fractional share of an investment pool that owns and manages the property. So now when you're looking to book accommodations for your next family vacation, you can actually book a stay at your own Airbnb rental property while at the same time contributing to your own profit-sharing revenue. But how did Here.co become successful? Let's take a closer look. First, a successful startup needs a talented team of individuals who are passionate about their work. Here's team consists of real estate and customer service experts that guide operations, select houses for investments, develop interior design schemes for the houses, and handle customer and investor relations. Here's real estate experience is extensive, with the top executives combining over 50 years of experience in real estate and investment. The team is always alert to new markets and investment opportunities. The founding team at Here has years of combined experience in the prop tech space, with our CEO Corey Ashton Walters having previously co-founded Homeworthy, a fully remote cloud real estate brokerage that served homeowners located in more than 900 cities across the Pacific Northwest. Caleb Altoff, Here's head of product, has a deep understanding of the vacation rental market platforms required for booking and the availability to scale technology quickly from his role as SVP of technology at Evolve. Eugene Davidson, Here's head of acquisition, has 17 years of real estate acquisitions and valuation experience to build bridges between real estate prop tech and traditional brokerage. Tucker McKay, heading up Here's investor relations, has experience overseeing investor operations at AngelList and customer experience at Divvy Homes. What makes Here unique? Stay till the end to see how Here plans to turn the vacation rental investment market upside down. Second, a successful venture that needs to create or leverage a product or service that solves a real problem for consumers. You probably can't scroll through TikTok or Instagram without seeing a video about investing in real estate. Real estate is probably a great investment, but to be successful, you need specialized information, deep pockets, and a lot of time. Here, however, has developed a business model that opens up the world of vacation rental investing to regular people whose pockets aren't so deep, lack specialized real estate information, and already have significant time commitments with work and family. Here believes that real estate investing is fundamentally broken. They report that rental returns are rapidly shrinking, investing is time-consuming and challenging, and the financial barrier to invest is too high. Because of those market constraints, Here's goal is to dramatically reduce the many barriers to entry to become a real estate investor while pioneering an entirely new category of real estate investing through fractional ownership of high-yielding vacation rentals. At Here, unaccredited investors can purchase fractional shares in specific vacation rental properties for as little as $100. And from there, investors could build their own portfolio of vacation homes based on individual preferences. What makes here so successful and unique is that they are the only fractional real estate investment company offering opportunities to invest directly in the $1.8 trillion short-term rental market. According to Adam Nash, CEO and co-founder of Daffy and former CEO of Wealthfront, who also happens to be an angel investor in the company, vacation rentals are an investment opportunity that historically has only been available to the wealthy. Here has created a seamless and simple way for everyday investors to participate in this market, and supporting their mission to open up this opportunity to everyone was an easy decision, he said. Although the concept is certainly appealing, keep watching this video to find out if there is a sizable market for Here's idea of fractional ownership and investment in the short-term rental market. Third, a prosperous new business model needs to be able to effectively market the product or service to their target audience. Investing in real estate is as old as real estate itself. Historically, only available to wealthy individuals and companies, Here has built their business plan on reducing the barriers to entry for individual investors. In 2022, the short-term rental market was worth $1.8 trillion, and it's posed to continue to grow approximately 3.4% year over year in the coming year. Here believes that the market will continue to grow as millennials and Gen Zs continue to drive travel demand in a post-COVID world. Here identifies markets that it believes exhibit attractive attributes for vacation rental investment. Considerations include population growth, visitor challenge, business climate, demographics, vacation rental yields, rent growth, and inventory. Since 2021, Here has grown to more than 50,000 members on their wait list, and in 2023, they expect to grow to 250,000 active members with $250 million in total assets on platform. Here currently owns 11 properties in 11 different markets from Florida to California. The properties are fully funded and valued at over $11 million, with shares held by over 12,500 investors. The vacation rental investment market seems strong. Keep watching to see how Here is building and funding their business plan and operations. Finally, a successful startup needs to have a clear vision, strong business plan, and a plan to raise capital. While Here provides investors with clear investment opportunities, what is their secret sauce that generates returns for their investors? If you like this video and deep dive into Here.co and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe now and hit that notification button. The company operates by purchase real estate and converting it to a short-term rental. The rental is then offered for sale to investors in an initial public offering, IPO, at a price that includes all of the costs they incurred in the rental. The properties adhere to the $1 to 1 stock of the property rule. When all the shares have been purchased and the property has been appropriately repaired and prepared for rental, Here lists the house on several websites that allow for vacation rentals, including Booking.com, HomeAway, and Airbnb. Quarterly dividends are paid to investors from the profits earned by the property during the time period. Here intends to keep a vacation rental on the market for 5 to 7 years before selling it. Shareholders will be paid based on their investment in the property. Here deducts maintenance costs from the dividends and final appreciation before paying its investors. Much of their success also comes from the lack of competitors in the fractional short-term rental space. Competitors in the real estate fractional market include companies like Fundrise, Roofstock, and RealCrowd. At Fundrise, for example, investors are able to purchase shares in a Fundrise portfolio of properties. Fundrises invest in apartment complexes and commercial real estate. Roofstock is only available to accredited investors. Lastly, RealCrowd invests in just about every market except single-family housing rental property. How much can investors expect as a return on their investment? The way this company makes money is pretty simple. According to CEO Corey Walters, sourcing fees from 1% to 10%, depending on the amount at which a property is purchased, consider it similar to the fees charged by a real estate agent when listing a home for investment purposes. Investors are also charged a 1% asset management fee on the property on an annual basis. In addition, the corporation owns 1% of all the vacation rental homes it manages. In quarter 3 of 2022, for instance, investors received a total return of 45.15%. This includes unrealized appreciation of 36.72% and rental income of 6.62%. Here.co provides a refreshing business model on a short-term rental investing. And typically available to institutional and wealthy investors, Here uses fractional investing as an avenue to turn the passive short-term rental investing market on its head. If you like this video and our deep dive into Here.co and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe now and hit that notification button.